Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing another vlog with you guys because vlogs are the only videos that you guys love. So I thought of putting out more vlogs out there because these days I'm just not feeling like shooting a lot of content. I do not have a lot of content ideas. I'm having a creative block of sorts, so that is the reason why I do not have a lot of content ideas in my mind right now. And I've also not filmed a lot or posted anything on YouTube as such. So today I thought of doing a vlog. I think the previous video to this is also a vlog, so this is going to be yet another vlog. It's currently 2:30 right now and I'm going to go and have my lunch. I'm really hungry, and after that me, my mom and my sister, we are going to go to Dunlop, which is not so far from our house. There we get our dresses, I mean kurtis and salwars tailored. So we are going to go to that shop. We are also going to buy some cloth material for our blouses and kurtis and stuff. So I'm going to take you guys along. And today I think one of my friend is coming to my place today. So she called me up and told that she's going to come to my place. I have not met her in so long. I am so damn excited for it. So yeah, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It will mean the absolute world to me. Let's get started now. What are you doing? I had my lunch and I also took a bath, did my skincare. My skin is looking a little better today. It's glowy. I'm not saying that my skin is not glowy, but I'm getting a lot of texture on my skin. I'm just laying down and relaxing. By the way, this is my sister's bag that she carries when she comes from her place to my place and again goes from my place to her place, because this is her room where I'm laying down currently, and this whole room is packed up with her stuff, and the room in her in-laws place is also packed up with her stuff. So she keeps on taking a bag from here to there and there to here. I don't know what she does, but she always comes with this big bag. It's kind of a gym bag. She stuffs it with all her clothes and stuff. So I could not find a pillow. I was too lazy to get up there and take a pillow, so I just made use of this. I'm going to take a little bit of rest, as if I did a lot of work today. I didn't, but still I'm going to take a little bit of rest and then get ready and go out. So I'm all ready. I haven't done much. I've just filled in my eyebrows, put on a lipstick and some blush. This is like my go-to makeup look. It's not even makeup. I'm just wearing eyebrows, lipstick and blush. This is what I do 99% of the times. And this is what I'm wearing. This is a very pretty light blue colored suit with yellow leggings and a yellow dupatta. I'm wearing this because I'm going to the tailor's place, so there it will be easier to give my measurements if I'm wearing a kurti. So that is the reason I'm dressed all desi today. And I have not done anything to my hair because my hair is still wet here and I do not want to tie up my wet hair. So yeah, that's that. And it's currently 4:45 right now. We were supposed to go at 4:30. If you are following me for a while, you know that we are always late. So we are going to get out by 5, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. This is what my outfit looks as a whole. I really like wearing Indian clothes. I'm not one of those people who does not like wearing Indian clothes. I really enjoy wearing Indian clothes, and this is what it looks like. My vanity is a mess and I know I need to clean it, but I will sometime or the other. And this is what my hair looks at the moment. I'm very tempted to cut my hair into layers. I also want to chop off some length, but my mother is not allowing me to. It's not that she doesn't allow me to do stuff, but she never lets me cut my hair. She likes my hair long. She even doesn't let my sister cut her hair because she loves long hair so much. So as I was saying, my mother's phone rang. She's such a fan of long hair that she never lets me or my sister cut our hair. So that's that. But I'm very tempted to cut layers into my hair. Let me know if I should or I shouldn't. This is what my hair looks like at the moment. It's half my hair, half is at the back. Wait. This is what my hair looks like at the moment. I'm very bored with this hair, let me tell you. I've had this hair, the same kind of hair, from the time when I was in class 6, and I'm really bored at the moment, but let's see what we'll do. We are on our way and 3 of us are sitting in the rickshaw because autos are not operational right now and my mother is too scared to ride on an auto. Also, we are going by, small lanes and gullies because my mother is also too afraid to get on the main road. We kind of got lost in our way because this man who is driving us right now is not the man who usually takes us there, and so we had to take help of map, and now finally we are almost near to our destination. This is what the Dunlop market looks like. You get everything here, from material to ready-made pieces and all that, and it's very famous for its tailoring because mostly Punjabis live here and their tailoring is the best. This is the place that we go to for our material, and we are going to shop for some material right now. Don't talk to me, Mumsy. Kemon lagje, Mumsy? This is the place where we get our dresses tailored. This is Pappu Tailors, and we have been coming here for the past 7 to 8 years. It's so trustworthy. So if you are in Kolkata and if you are looking for stitching your clothes and kurtis and Indian wear, then you can definitely come here and check them out. They do amazing quality kurtis, stitching and all that. My mom and my sister, both of them are wearing kurti stitched by him only, and I am also wearing a kurti stitched by him as well. We are on our way back home and we are still tightly packed in the rickshaw that we came in, and it's so hot. You can barely see me because it's so dark out here, so I'll reach home and then talk to you guys. I'm back home and I've also changed into my PJs because it's too hot and I could not bear the heat anymore. I feel a lot better right now. Because of this lockdowns and shits, you have just forgotten how to go out, how to, just be in the heat, be among crowd. So it's like really difficult nowadays to go out, considering the fact that I'm always at home these days. So yeah, that's that. I'm just lying down. My friend should be here by now, but she's not here yet. It's 8:35 right now, so I don't know when she'll come. She will stay at my place today, and she called my other friend who also came in today. So 2 of my best friends are coming in today, and I have 3 more best friends. We have a girl gang of 6 of us, and among the 6 of us, only 3 of us will be together today. I have missed them so much. I haven't met them in 2 months or so. I have met Shreya. She came to my place few days back. But my other friend Ohona, whom we call Badi, is coming in today only, so I'm going to meet her after a long time. And the 3 other friends, they are not coming. One of my childhood best friends, I am friends with her since I was in KG. She is my 15 to 16 years long friend. She did not want to step out of the house because she is way too paranoid about the virus, so she did not want to step out of the house, and we did not actually tell her. So Bari called me up and she wanted to come to my place, and somehow Shreya got to know, and both of them are coming. The other 3 don't really know that this is happening. I think I'm gonna get a lot of bashing from them after they see that they have come. So yeah, let's see. Can we take a moment to look at how messy my room is right now? It's not even funny how messy it is. You see, it's cluttered all over. The bed is also not in a nice position, and don't even ask me about that side table. It's pathetic. I need to clean all these out before my mother jumps onto me.
Hi guys! Yes!
This is Bari.
Hi!
This is Shreya.
Hello!
अरे इतना तो
Yes!
बॉल की जो बॉल.
We're so excited We are so excited to meet you after so many days. This famous YouTuber, oh my god!
पूरा जान. I've come to the kitchen to make some chai because every one of them wants to have chai. And there is this rumor in my house that I make the best chai. So every time someone comes, I have to make the chai because they would only drink मेरे हाथ का बनाया हुआ chai. So I'm doing that right now. But the only problem is that the milk is completely frozen, so I'm trying to liquefy the milk right now, and then I'll make the chai. Chai is ready.
It's a handmade biscuit.
It's not handmade. I'm making some aloo bhaja right now because they want to eat aloo bhaja, and here I am making aloo bhaja right now. मेहंदी देखा.
Very beautiful.
It's 12:45 right now, and we are just sitting here and chilling. We are watching some TV and doing something which I cannot show. My sister applied mehendi on her hands for the first time, and she did such a great job. It looks so good. So this was it for today's video. This is what I did throughout the day. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. And until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.